A lovely morning, dear children. In today's class, we discuss about Chapter 7 in grammar, that is articles. Let's see what are articles, the types of articles, and the use of articles. So let's begin first. What are articles? Look at this picture: a man, a lamp, an apple, an umbrella, the sun, the Taj Mahal. The words a and the are called articles. Articles are the most commonly used words in the English language. We use them before nouns. So let me explain about this in detail. There are two types of articles, that is indefinite articles and definite articles. Do you know which are indefinite articles, children? The words a or an are known as indefinite article. Why? Because they do not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. For example, a chair, an elephant, a pen, an ice cream. The is known as definite article because it refers to some particular person, place, or thing. For example, the Taj Mahal, the sun, the India Gate. Because all these things are only one, they are unique. Now let's see the use of articles. We use a or an when we are talking about something in general. For example, I need a new phone. Here you can see that it is not mentioned which type of phone or the brand of phone. So we don't know which phone it talks about in general. So it means any phone. Second one, I need an umbrella. So same case here also. Here an umbrella means any umbrella, not any specific umbrella. Second one, when we are talking about something which is new and are introducing it for the first time to the listener. For example, I have a bicycle. I have bought a new dress. So when you tell something about first time, you have to use a or an. Then third rule is that we use a or an before the words that mean a collection of things. For example, a gallon, a dozen. Remember children, we use a or an depends on the sound of the first letter of the word and not the letter of the word. There are 26 alphabets in English language. Do you know that? Okay, each alphabet has its own phonic sound. A, E, I, O, U. These five alphabets are known as vowels. The rest of the letters are known as consonants. We use A before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a river, a book, a European, a unicorn. So children, look at this example, a European, a unicorn. Here the first letters are vowels, but we use A. Why? Because it has the consonant sound, that is U sound. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an ice cream, an umbrella, an R. So here, look at the last example, an R. Here H is silent, so the first letter is O. So O is vowel sound. So we use here an R. So hope you clear about the usage of a and an. Let's move to the usage of the. We use the before nouns that are unique. For example, the sun, the earth, the Bible, the Taj Mahal, the India Gate, all these are unique things. We use the when talking about something that is known to the listener. For example, do you know where the keys are? Put on the dress that mom gave you. Here it is already understood which keys and which dress. Then third rule is that we use the to refer to a time period. For example, this song was popular in the 1990s. In the past, we did not have electricity. We also use the before the names of rivers like the Yamuna, the Nile, the oceans like the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, seas like the Arabian Sea, mountain ranges like the Alps, and the countries with plural names or those that contain the words like republic, kingdom, or state. For example, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom. We also use the before adjectives of superlatives, that is, the biggest, the tallest, the first, like that. So, children, remember that we do not use any articles before the names of people, states, countries, mountains, etc. For example, the Vivek, the Paris, the India, the Rajasthan. We do not use any articles with plurals and uncountable nouns when they don't refer to any specific thing. For example, I had bread and butter for breakfast. He writes novels. So, children, hope you understood about the articles and its uses. Let's recap once more. A and the are the three articles which are commonly used in English language. There are two types of articles. They are indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are known as indefinite articles, whereas the is known as definite article. We also learned various rules for the usage of a and the with examples. Also see the omission of definite article the. So go through the examples, read the exercises carefully and complete your exercises. That's all for today. Be ready for the next chapter. Keep learning. Have a nice day. Thank you.